Okay. Hello. Welcome to another video. In this video, where is it? Here it is. We're going to be making rope out of corn husks. Corn husks, they have fibers in them. They have really. Do you see those lines in the fibers? I'm not sure if you can see them because I'm not sure how great this camera is, but the fibers in this, they're really strong, so it's harder to pull them apart this way, but when you do it like this, it's really easy. So I'm gonna pull apart 3 strands. That's how we start. I'm pulling apart 3 strands. It helps a lot to have shorter strands because they're a lot easier to manipulate and bend. So what I did so that it's easier is I took the end, I twisted it, and then I tied them together. Now, if you have to make a really big loop, what I like to do is if I want my loop up higher, I'll push it from down there, while still keeping my hand on this. So that gives you more of this part. Now, to braid it, it's not weaving. To braid it, you want to have your 3 strands, and then you want to take one from the outside, put it to the middle, and then alternate to this one on the outside, then go to the middle, and just repeat. This is a braid that is actually commonly used in hair. Braids. What braids do for the rope, though, is it helps pull them together and keep them together, and it also makes it stronger. So see, has a nice weave there, and it's really strong. Now, what I do, you have these 3 ends, and you don't want it to unbraid, so what you do is you twist it around like that, like so. You make a loop, maybe a big loop, and then you pull it through. Oh, well, sometimes that happens, I guess. And then you get your braided piece of rope. It doesn't quite look like this one because this one I use 3 of these. So on this one I can pull out 1 string, and you can see that this one is also braided together. It makes it extra strong. Okay. I've already done this a few times to practice it. This was a little bit of a failed attempt, and what not to do when braiding these is you got to make sure that they're all about equal length, or this could happen where a piece will come loose from the knot and it'll stick out here and it'll be real easy to unweave. But you want to have an end result like this, where you made the knot far enough down, and they're all about equal size. They don't have to be exactly the same size, but they're all about equal size. And I dropped this one over here. And this one right here, this one I did about the same thing, just with 3 different braided ones. And so I hope you found this video helpful or just interesting, and I hope that you liked my video and would like to see me make more content. I'm open to ideas for future videos, and like, comment, subscribe, and bye.